Alright, welcome back to Chef's Corner. I'm Chef Neil Jameson here at York House. So today we're going to make popcorn in 4 different ways. So popcorn's kind of most people obviously associate it with movie time and butter and salt, but popcorn's actually really versatile and can be really healthy as long as you stay away from the microwave popcorn. Do air popping for your popcorn all the time, and we're going to make 4 different ones for you today using some simple ingredients that most people probably have at home already. We're going to do a dark chocolate and smoked sea salt popcorn for you. So maybe you don't have smoked sea salt, but you can use regular salt if you like as well. Next one, white chocolate macadamia nut. Add a little toasted coconut to it as well if you want for an extra little treat. But just some macadamia nuts and some white chocolate is all you need. Next one, sriracha and lime. This one here is just a mix that I buy. It's delicious from Clubhouse. If you have a Cajun powder at home or your own spice mix that you like, tossed in with a little olive oil and some fresh cilantro. The next one is Parmesan and rosemary. So if you have a fresh rosemary bush in your garden, that's fantastic. If not, you can use a little bit of dried as well. Just chop it up a bit. All right, and a little Parmesan cheese. So I have a little here already mixed, again with the olive oil. The first one up is a chocolate and smoked sea salt popcorn. Okay, so we're just taking a little melted chocolate, a little dark chocolate. I literally just did it in the microwave for less dishes. Keep it nice and simple and easy. Okay, so just a little air popped popcorn, all the time air popped. Don't use microwave popcorn. You can do it the old school way in a fry pan, but air poppers are the best, I feel. Okay, here we have a little bit of smoked sea salt. This little container is $1.25 at Gourmet Warehouse, but it adds just a nice little different flavor towards the popcorn. Goes really well with the chocolate. Okay, just a nice little change, nice little treat. Go really well with certain wines. A nice deep Pinot Noir, something like that as well. So a nice little snack to have with that. You just want to kind of coat it evenly. A little bowl out, a couple more flakes on top, and off you go. There's one different popcorn for entertaining or for the kids and stuff like that. Our next popcorn here is came from one of my wife's thoughts. She loves white chocolate macadamia nut cookies, so I thought, why not do that with popcorn? And so that's what we've done. I've melted a little white chocolate here that you get. Just any kind of white chocolate is good. Lynn's is always really nice. All right, same thing with your air popped popcorn. A little chocolate on there. Here we have some crushed macadamia nuts. Okay, you toss those in with it. And again, just gentle little toss. Toss with it. All right, in your bowl. You gotta go relatively quick with it because the chocolate does want to set pretty quickly. A few more nuts just on top. And there you have your white chocolate macadamia nut. Another thing I've done to it once in a while at home, add a little toasted coconut to it as well. And it takes it to a whole other little tropical level. So if you're sitting outside in your backyard with like maybe a margarita or something like that, this will go nicely with it too. Our next popcorn here is gonna be more of a savory one. So what we have here is our air pop popcorn again, a little olive oil. So you're just gonna toss your popcorn in that. And this is gonna help for this to stick to it. So this is a sriracha and lime. I love a little bit of heat with a lot of my food. Okay, you can use like a Cajun spice or anything kind of like that that you like, or anything you have at home, your own blend or something. Okay, so just a little bit of that on top of it. Okay, nice little toss. We also have a little bit of cilantro here. People love it, hate it. I can't live without it. So a little bit of cilantro right into your popcorn. All right, into your bowl. Again, just a little bit more on top. Garnish with a little more cilantro. And there you go. And our last popcorn for today is another savory one, and fairly simple. We have some fresh rosemary here that I've taken out of my garden, and a little Parmesan cheese. Okay, a little olive oil. Again, just to helps coat and gives a little bit of flavor. All right, a little toss, and it goes. All right. This one here is pretty popular at my house with our kids. We have 3 teenagers at home, So they enjoy this one. They like the little saltiness from the Parmesan. They like the fact that we use rosemary from the garden and stuff. So, all right. So there's 4 different ways making some different popcorns at home. Make a bowl of it, leave it laying around throughout the day so the kids can munch on it. So that's your 4 popcorns there. They look great, nice, light, healthy, refreshing. So thank you for joining us on this session, and enjoy these.